Okay. Ow! Fuck! Ow! Fuck me in the goddamn asshole! Fuck!
You good?
That fucking hurt.
I bet it fucking did.
Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Fuck you.
So this weekend, me and Abby have an event to go for. I've been trying to prep my car all week for it, and it's just been gloomy and windy and just nasty outside. We're supposed to be doing camping in cars, and I still got a lot to do, and that's tonight. So we're about to last minute prep this car. Yes, we are on Abby's stocks right now. I think the most important thing is that ride height. We got to get rid of that gap. The other day, I put the front coilovers on, got them dialed in, and now we got to do the rear. All right, this side is nowhere near as bad as the other side. I'd like to go lower, tuck a little bit more because there's still some gap in there. But if you go to the other side, this side's up way too high. Front actually is pretty decent. I'm just really mainly focusing on trying to get rid of this gap. Yeah, this thing's absolutely clapped. The paint is just destroyed everywhere. So we got to wrap this thing quick. It's dirty. We still got to wash the cars. Abby's not even off work yet. I don't know what's going on.
Meat. Cat.
Rudy. Ugh. Dude, my hands are filthy.
We are Venom.
All right, we are ready to go. I got wage war plan. Got my bag packed. We got our pillows and blankets. We got to go get our tent. Abby's waiting in her car, and yeah, we're on our way to go camping with some Stan's cars. Hopefully, my car survives the trip. So, we'll see. So bouncy. It feels so much better than the spring stuff.
Oh, we're gonna start doing their. We're gonna start doing their meets down here. So if you want, like, we probably get you in your group. And I was like, okay.
I'm just so used to taking stickers off cars.
Can you grab it for us?
Yeah, I think one of our like my. They'll bow.
Come here, Corky.
What?
Yeah, no. No.
No fighting. They like napkins and stuff.
I think that's sweet. They chill together. We're going down that little hole.
Put another one on there.
Another one?
There you go, like,
He's good.
soldier boy. When I first moved down here, it was rained like crazy, and now
Yeah.
We're getting them wet and wild out here.
Wet and wild. Show me how you do that thing. Show me how you do that thing.
See that? See how I just floated that?
Yeah.
You gotta wiggle it while it's in there.
Tyler. Yeah. Let me see you cast that reel. Nice.
Long darts, baby.
Oh. Oh.
That's what he said, thank you. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Yeah, AJ's still coming.
We're on our way back home now. I'd say it was a success. We stopped and got some McDonald's. It's my first time really being outside with a Subi. Now that, you know, I'm not staring at the car on black wheels every day and, you know, I don't have like a huge fitment gap. And honestly, it rides better. It's bouncy as hell, but it rides better. I think I'm actually starting to like the Subi again. Because I really kind of fell out of love with it, but I don't know. I'm really enjoying it right now, so it's so fun to drive right now. The past two videos have been about a stance car, and it's been better for my channel, better than ever. So thank you guys for that support. We're at like 850 subscribers. We just hit 600 like 2 weeks ago, so like that's a rapid change for my channel. But yeah, I mean, I guess I'm gonna have to stick to stance cars. We're gonna have to go even lower on the Subaru. So, but yeah, heading home.